Welcome back to Tech Everin, your daily dose of futuristic technology explained simply. Quantum computers are powerful machines that work very differently from regular computers we use every day. Instead of using simple bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits called qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time because of a property called superposition. This allows them to process huge amounts of data simultaneously, solving complex problems much faster than traditional computers. They also use another property called entanglement, where qubits are linked together so that changing one affects the other instantly, no matter how far apart they are. This makes quantum computers extremely powerful for certain tasks like breaking encryption, developing new medicines by simulating molecules, and solving advanced physics and math problems. Tech companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are racing to build better quantum computers because they could change how we solve problems in cybersecurity, climate modeling, and artificial intelligence. However, quantum computers are still in their early stages and require special environments with ultra-cold temperatures to keep qubits stable. But as this technology develops, it could revolutionize the world by solving problems that even the fastest supercomputers today can't handle. Would you like to see quantum computers become part of our everyday lives? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Everin for more future tech updates.